Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. Today I want to show you how the price line of Polygon is testing a very strong support of $1.50 and also the 50 weekly simple moving average support, and also getting bounced by the support of this bearish pennant. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this bullish pennant that I shared with you in this video, in my previous video, when I told you that within next few hours MATIC token can break out a bullish pennant on the hourly time frame, and then our target to the upside will be $1.60, and the price line broke out the resistance of this bullish pennant. This is the hourly live hourly time frame chart, and if we take a look at the price line move, then our target was $1.60, and the price line moved very close to that target at $1.59.5, and after that the price line moved down and even broke down the support of this bullish pennant. Now here we have another resistance on this 4 hourly time frame chart. We can see that we have a rejection here, we have another rejection here, another here as well after when we broke out this resistance of the pennant, and recently we are again getting rejected by this resistance. And here we are also having a formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is possible that the price line may form here an inverse head and shoulder on the 4 hourly time frame. It is more clear. You can see that the price line moved down and formed this left shoulder, and this is the head, and now it is possible that it will again move down to form the right shoulder. However, it is an inverse head and shoulder pattern that is a bullish reversal pattern, and it is possible that the price line may break out the neckline, and after breaking out the neckline, our target to the upside can be, if I place this trend line here, that will be $1.95, and on the hourly time frame chart it is very nice target, very big target on the hourly time frame. Now if we take a look at this weekly time frame, here we are still above this weekly 50 simple moving average that is breaking at a very nice support. We touched this 50 simple moving average here when we had a spike at $1.30. The price line could not break it down. We again had a spike up to $1.24.5, but the price line recovered back, and it is not it did not even break down this $1.50 support level. It has been breaking at a very nice support here and resistance here as well. And as I told you in my last video as well, that there is a formation of a head and shoulder pattern as well on the daily time frame. We have this head and shoulder pattern, and the price line has already broken down the support of this head and shoulder pattern, but these two supports, the $1.50 and the weekly 50 simple moving average support, are not letting the price line to move more down from here. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Here we have bounced by the support of the bearish pennant, and you can see that the price line has entered the pennant here in November 2021. So far we are not able to break it out, and the movement is getting very squeezed. Therefore soon it can break out or break down the support of the pennant, and as you know that this is a bearish pennant, and therefore it is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore it is possible that it will break out this resistance of the pattern. For example, if the price line first of all, let me show you this resistance, where this resistance is at $1.70 right now. So it is very much possible that if the price line breaks out this resistance on the very small time frame, on the hourly time frame chart, then it can also lead to a big breakout from this resistance of the pennant, and then we can reach here at the target of this pennant that is approximately at $2.90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I share. Take care. Goodbye.